Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You will start by preparing both the physical SIM and the eSIM so switching works reliably. First, make sure your physical SIM is already inserted in the tray and the phone is restarted. This avoids registration glitches. Next, get the eSIM QR or carrier activation code from your carrier and keep it handy. You'll scan or paste it shortly. Once done, open Settings, tap Network and Internet, and select SIMs to begin adding the second line, and now you add the eSIM and configure how both lines behave. Tap Add Carrier, choose Use QR Code or Carrier App, then scan the QR or enter the activation code. The phone installs the profile and registers it with the carrier. Make sure to label each line so you can tell them apart, and set which line you want for calls, texts, and mobile data. Finally, enable automatic switching or preferred network to let Pixel 7 pick the best connection when needed. To finish, start using both lines and learn quick switching. When making a call or composing a message, use the SIM selector to pick the line. For data, go to Settings and choose the active mobile data line. If you need to swap permanently, change defaults in SIM settings. If something goes wrong, check signal icons, restart the phone, and toggle mobile data. If registration still fails, reset network settings or contact your carrier with the eSIM IXID for support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.